can't be a person attached to a lot of material things. And also you definitely need a lot of self-awareness. Like you need to know what you need, even more than usually. Like you need to know how long or find out how long you want to stay in places. Like, are you the person who is happy to leave after a month, or is this too stressful that you want to stay 3 months in places? And you have to find out which kind of work you do best where. Like, can you work in coffee shops? Can you work in hostels? Do you need a co-working space? And yeah, you need to know yourself very well to be happy with this lifestyle, I think. And make the changes when you feel they're necessary.
You have to be tolerant, you have to accept the different cultures, the different characters of the other persons, and not being judgmental, being able and willing to accept the different. Yeah.
It depends on the depth that you want to go to. If you want to, spend time in unexpected places and take advantage of serendipity, you're going to have to be willing to make more sacrifices and undertake those risks and try and bring yourself back from the brink if something bad does happen. But it's perfectly okay and works probably far more easily to simply, approach things as if it's normal life, just in different places.
I think it's just, if you want an adventure, you realize life's quite short and you want to make the most of it. I think that's the core thing about people that do these kind of things and have these kinds of experiences.
Well, first of all, I would say don't get overwhelmed by the amazingness of it you get initially, because it all sounds great. Like, people just take their laptop and they go to Thailand and they work at the beach and at the pool, and then they have drinks, and the next day they go hiking and go to the pool again. I think it's important to see it a bit more critical and be sure you can sustain yourself from the road. Have whatever skill it is that you are passionate about and that you are sure you want to do it so much that you will manage to do it while you are looking at the pool and you will have to work.
You have to be good in your work and be loyal to your clients too, because, okay, traveling, but you have work to do.
The best thing you can do, and others confirm this, is just participate in existing communities. Whether or not they're nomadic communities, or just communities focused around your particular sector in interest or passions, see what other people are doing. Learn from them. You can ask questions like this of everyone, but you need to ask as many people as possible to create your own interpretation. See if any particular response really hits you emotionally or factually.
I would say get involved in the community. This is actually my first proper digital nomad event I've done, and I honestly have never been under the same roof as so many interesting people that are doing interesting things with their lives, and just learning loads by even having conversations with people and just getting so many different insights into different businesses and different ways of looking at things. So yeah, it's incredible. Just get involved in the community if you decide to do it. Don't isolate yourself and cut yourself off, which a lot of people can do when you're traveling.
You have to really think about it. It seems to be very easy. It's not easy. You have to be sure that you are willing to continue this adventure. It's going to be fun, but sometimes it's going to be rough.